Harrison.
And I'm Ian.
Today we're going to be doing a test drive Tuesday of our 1973 Plymouth Cuda.
Alright, let's do this. All right, we ready?
Yep.
Okay. Ooh, she's got a purr to it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Definitely a love bug morning.
Oh yeah. Like I said, I have not seen it this bad in years. There's tons of them out.
No, well, it looks like we'll be taking some of them for a nice ride with us. A little bit more traffic today, so.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy, does she drive nice.
She sounds really good. So, the 73 Cuda has its original numbers matching, 340 cubic inch V8, 4-barrel carburetor. From the factory, they were rated at about 275 horsepower, but you know, they underrated a lot of things back then. This one's definitely making more than that.
Oh, it feels it too.
This car was originally a 3-speed manual transmission car, which makes it very rare. It's been upgraded to a 4-speed though, but it's got the heavy-duty A833 4-speed and a pistol grip shifter.
I love the pistol grip shifter.
It's just an icon.
And it's so comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
It really inspires like constant shifts, you know? Not that you need to, but it's just really inspires you to go through the gears.
Mm-hmm.
What an iconic looking car. I love the blue.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Basin Street blue, but a lot of people call it Petty blue because
Petty
it's
blue.
the same color as Richard Petty's race cars.
Yep, yeah, that makes sense.
And it looks really good, especially with the stripe on the side. That's code V6W for the longitudinal white stripe. So
yeah, I'm a true fan of the actual hood and the hood scoops.
Oh yeah,
really nice touch. Just an easy car to drive.
Mm-hmm. It just sounds so good.
Well, it looks like most of the love bugs bailed on us.
Yep.
They're lost.
Yeah, the underside of this car is just so clean.
Oh, it's
too.
immaculate. Absolutely.
And it's like brand new, like it just rolled out of the factory.
Another one of those cars you really gotta watch your speedometer.
Like you said, I mean, the shifter and everything, the engine inspires you to get into it and it's
drive.
just so fun.
Yeah. Give it a little corner here. Definitely planted.
Mm-hmm. You know, these E-bodies are nice and light, and you know, they were the ones that Mopar took, you know, Trans Am racing and the Cuda and the Challenger, and they dominated on the track.
Oh, and you can definitely feel the heritage in it.
that big scoops and the power bulge in it.
It's a constant reminder of what you're driving. Over the exhaust note.
It really does. It sounds so good.
It just suits the car so well. I can definitely see myself hopping in one of these every weekend.
It's really smooth too. I'm surprised at how smooth it is.
Oh yeah, it's just gliding right down the road. Everything's works.
It's just a beautiful car.
Yeah, this is definitely one that's on my bucket list to own. Yeah, we've had her out a couple times and she's just always ready for the voyage.
Yeah. It started right up today and it's amazing.
And yet another head turner.
Oh yeah. Especially in this color, it gets a lot of attention.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, you got a guy just hit a curb.
It's a beautiful day out today too.
Yeah.
Nice and clear.
Figured we'd go turn around in this nice newly paved parking lot.
Oh yeah.
What a pleasure this is.
You know, this and the Challenger, just two of Mopar's most iconic cars.
You know, and until you hop in one and just drive it down the road, you know, that's when you really appreciate what they were, what they are.
And, you know, the Cuda and the Challenger were out there to defeat the Mustang, and I think they did a pretty good job at putting up some competition. Kept Ford on their toes.
You know, and another thing is it's just one of those cars that everybody knows about. You know, everybody respects. No shame to hop in and show it off. Well, traffic's definitely starting to pick up.
Yeah, for sure.
People are getting antsy to get out.
It's a good thing, you know.
All right, let's give her the beans a little bit here.
Wow.
Yeah, definitely gets up.
That is awesome. Oh. I think I'm in love.
I am too. I am too. That would never get old. That's the great thing about the ownership of a classic car. You know, it's just the family that follows behind it.
Yeah, everyone's attracted to it. You know, it's something that a lot of people respect.
Yep.
And it's just, it brings a smile to people's face and brings up people's day sometimes, and it's a great feeling.
Yep. If they don't share the experience with you, then they're living vicariously through you with it. So it's just a great combination. This is a very streetable car. often I'm left speechless on a test drive.
This is just it's such a great car.
Absolutely. The power's very usable. It's not, some of the cars we have, they definitely keep you, white knuckle driving. You don't really have the inspiration to just stab the gas and stay planted. And this is just I would say a perfect balance. The power, the weight.
And the 340 is a very peppy engine. Especially these lightweight cars. You get a lot in the bigger cars with bigger engines, 440s, Hemis. They're fast. But, this feels lightweight, it feels tossable and fun.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, here I am cruising. I'm resting my foot on the pedal and... It's a great balanced car.
Definitely.
I just love these pistol grip shifters. They're so fun.
They're so cool.
They're comfortable.
I think it was Hearst that came out with that idea originally.
Right.
Mopar was the company that used it from day one. And it just became synonymous with high-performance Mopars.
And I see why. Really inspires power shifting and we've all had that moment where we slipped off the shifter. That's not a problem with these.
No. Brakes seem pretty good too.
Oh, they're perfect feel. Like we were saying earlier, people just love to see these things out.
I gotta say, there's a surprising amount of room in the cabin.
Oh, it's
too.
very comfortable, very spacious.
Not something that you would expect in a smaller, sporty car like this.
All right, and here we are back. A few more cars in the parking lot now that we're open. Good to see the showroom open to the public again. Definitely don't mind sitting in traffic listening to this.
It's smooth, the rumble, it's just, it's a great car.
It's a great all-around car. Somebody will be very lucky to own this car.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the part of this I love is, selling these cars and knowing that the people that are getting them are going to make new memories in it and add to the car's history.
And I can contest, I hear all the time of, what people and customers are doing with their cars and how pleased they are with them.
I love getting, sometimes we get photos and stuff of people with their cars together, and it's a great feeling when you know that a customer is happy with their car.
Absolutely. And it truly is, in all means of the word, a family here. To the people that buy the cars, the people that just come in with interest, That's why we do these videos for you guys. I think everybody should have a piece of this, we get to enjoy it a little bit.
Yeah, we're bringing that to as many people as we can here. And, subscribe and you'll get more videos. And
yeah, subscribe,
keep
people.
doing
It
this
helps
for
us
you.
out. It absolutely helps us out.
And remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram too at Ideal Classic Cars, and buy this Cuda.
Very well and blunt put.
It
All
really
right.
is just a great car.
Absolutely. What a pleasure that was.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Well,
All right.
thanks for joining along again, and we'll see you next time. Look at Harrison. I finally learned my lesson. Ish. There we go. Can't teach an old dog new tricks. All right. Now it's you.
There it is.
Good job, man. We got this. Ready? You can't take this serious with Chris right there.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Chris.
Hi guys, what are we doing today? Blue for what?
I look like I'm blushing even when I'm not.
Yeah.
Okay, this is only making more for me to edit.
Yeah.
This is Harrison. This is Ian. I'm Chris, and these guys are gonna give you a test drive Tuesday.
This is true.
Hi, I'm Harrison,
And I'm Ian.
and today we're going to be doing a test drive Tuesday of the number 9.
And